Well, welcome back to my channel, everyone. My name is Kim, and I love all things planning and journaling here. I love doing fun things with all of my Cocoa Daisy items too, which includes my January booklet. Now, the booklets that come either separate or with the planner kit, they redesigned the interior. Now, I've always enjoyed having my weeks and then my days afterwards. So in the Cocoa Daisy book, they do have the day stripe pages all loaded in front, all 5 weeks, write it up front. Then the change, instead of having the calendar here, they've made it a two-page spread here. And then in the back, they have notes pages right in the back, these 2 pages. So because they have ordered their pages in a different direction, I need to come up with a way of ordering my pages to best suit me with the days following the weeks. But I do have some specialty pages that need to be in consideration of. So this is going to be the video that'll show you how to get those pages in the right order. So first off, we want to divide this into different categories. So we're going to take, obviously we've taken the brown cover off. So we're going to divide it in several categories. I'm going to do this as the cover. I'm going to also take this notes page. So I'm going to have the cover and the notes page off to the side. Then I'm going to have the stripe pages that don't have the calendar on them. There should be 3. 1, 2, 3, and put those to the side as well. We'll come and revisit that. Then you take the 2 calendar pages and put that in another pile as well. And then the rest should all be just traditional blank grid pages. The first page on the bottom is going to be the striped page with the notes page in the back. That'll be your first one. The next 2 pages are going to be the month pages. So for this version, I have the monthly pages in the back. I'll do another version of it a different way after this one. So to do the monthly pages in the back, it has the most usable amount of pages that I have. So I really like the monthly in the front, but this one makes a little bit more sense. So all I did was take the monthly pages that were traditionally up front. I just flipped both of them over like this. And so then they are like this in the back. Okay, so that would be your next layer. Next one is going to be just a blank page. You can pick any one you'd like. This one has fully blank pages. After that, you get another striped page, just a traditional striped page, one of those 3, and you're going to put it in just like this. Then I want you to take 2 of these blank pages and go ahead and put them in the middle. And then take one of our striped pages and put that, it was traditionally like this. You're going to flip it over and have the striped pages on the right hand side. You're going to take another striped page and put that just on top, just traditionally like it was intended. And then the last page is going to be a plain paper. Okay, now if you did it correctly, you should have 2 pages left. You should have a regular plain paper, and you also have the cover. Now this is the choice you get to make. You certainly can add the cover back onto the front and then put this in the middle, or you can swap out and put this in the middle with 2 blank pages this way, and then put the plain in the front. So that's your choice. You can do it either way. You just need to make sure that this one is face down if you do the cover. I'm going to put it this way. This gives you a few extra notes pages in the middle of your planner. So that is what you do. Let's do a quick flip through of how this would work. So again, I have my cover, the striped page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's, you have to share days on this. Then you've got a regular next week or this week page, striped, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then we have another one of these. This is where you get a few extra pages. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or you can do whatever you want with these extra 2 pages in the middle and then continue Friday, Saturday, Sunday here. The upcoming week, and then another stripe page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you'll have a few extra pages here, or you could do 6, 7, an extra page. Now here comes the next couple pages where I don't know how this would work other than you could actually glue these together if you wanted to. Then you have your month, and then an extra page, and then your notes section at the back. Now I've separated everything into the same piles that I started with. This one is for when you want the month up front. So first off, I'm going to start with the cover. That is where it has the January and then the back cover. Then you have a blank. Next up is the month calendar. So that should be right here. And for the month calendar, the last time we flipped it this direction, this time we're going to flip it this direction. So it's in the front of our notebook. Page, and we're going to put the striped page face down. Next up is going to be a blank page. This time we're going to take a striped page, and instead of putting it down like this, we'll put it face up. Then we're going to go ahead and put a blank page. And then a striped page facing down. Next up is another blank page. At this point, you should have 2 pages left. You have the striped page with the notes in this corner and also a blank page. You want to put the blank page down regularly, and then you can go ahead and take your notes page with the stripe and face that up. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. It has the title page, and then these in the front you could use as action items, to-do lists, dashboards, that sort of situation. So you'll have a blank page, a blank page, a blank page, and then a striped page, and then you'll have the January. Then you'll have just the start of all of our weekly pages, a to-do for the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and this is where your notes page will be with another stripe page to start. So you could actually just keep going and ignore the fact that this is notes. You could just start on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, a little extra page, and then it begins the last week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then you can start some notes pages at the back. I hope this gets all of your notebooks in the right order, which appeals to you. I haven't decided which way I want to do it yet, but I think it might be with the January in the back. The first method we did. Thanks everyone. If you have questions, just let me know and I'd be happy to answer them as best I can for you. Thank you. Bye.